Hello, hello, hello. And this today is about us keeping fit as singers. Now, I'm going to show you a video. It's probably going to be a little bit in the middle or towards the end. But I'm talking to you about your health. If you want to be a healthy singer, then you need to also be healthy here. I keep in shape. I exercise, I work out the voice, right? So that's what we want to do. Keep working on you. You're important. Keep body, mind, and spirit. Okay? I do it. I keep my body in shape, which you're going to see. I keep my body, my mind. I keep it moving. I do these videos. I do that's the body, the mind is keeping concentrating, and the spirit, honey, well, the spirit in the sky. You gotta keep everything going. No matter what your beliefs are, have something to believe in, as well as believing in yourself. Okay, this is short and sweet, and watch the video. Never too old to exercise. Bye-bye. I'm working out, honey. You're never too old to work out. And you're never too young. So for you youngins that are coming in and thinking, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do, you're going to be fine. You're going to be just fine. Keep that mind straight, your emotions intact, and work it with your higher power, honey. And those of you who are like myself, a little bit towards the higher end of age, let me tell you, you're never too old. Keep moving, keep doing what you love. If you knew how old I was, get my book, you'll find out, then you'd know that you're never too old. And that's what I say in that video, as I work it out, okay? I'm gonna see you in the next one. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And tell me about yourself. I'm dying to hear from you, honey. Okay? It is such a day, such a mighty fine day, yeah. Oh, it's such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day, yeah. It's a day just for you. Bye.